In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix game, voice chat, and mic not working on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things I want you to do. Firstly, on the PS5 itself, go ahead and press your PlayStation button, and then what you want to do is go to sound and make sure your output device is what you want. So for example, if I'm playing on the TV, I want it to be that. If I'm using a headset, I want it to be my headset. You got to double check this because sometimes whenever I turn my PS5 on, even when I'm not using my headset, it defaults to my headset. So I just have to switch it to my TV. It might be the exact same case for you as well. Now, you want to make sure that mute game voice chat is not enabled so that, you can actually hear the voice chat in game. So that's another thing. And then for your mic, of course, you want to make sure that it's on. So you want to make sure it's not muted because sometimes you might accidentally press your mute button that's on your PS5 controller. And by that, I mean the physical button. And if your mic's not working, again, make sure you're using the correct microphone. For example, your headset might be really far away. So you don't want that as your microphone. You might want it as your wireless controller or any other microphone that you have. Now, in terms of PlayStation settings, what you want to do is press your options button, then go over to chat channel, make sure party is on, and then you can either create another channel if you want to, or you don't have to if you don't want to. Next thing you can do is go to settings, go to audio, then go to voice chat. Make sure voice chat is on and proximity chat if you want to as well. If your microphone isn't too loud, you can change your microphone volume and boost it up to like 30 or more if you want to as well. And then you can also change the threshold as well. It says the higher the value, the less sensitive the microphone. So if you want it to be more sensitive, you can just lower this value and then you'll be good to go as well. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other Black Ops 7 videos on the channel.